I realize ultimate source of unhappiness is anger. So the whole sentient being, we usually call mother sentient being. So training these things, then almost, you see, entire phenomena appears very positive. Sometimes I critical view some of these deities, very wrathful deities. Sometimes I feel love. According to my own sort of teaching, some sort of initiation, abhisheka, at the beginning, kektor, expel evil forces. Now, last few years, I no longer practice that. Nothing to expel. We all are our mother-centered being. So this practice, very, very helpful. Very helpful.